5 important things you must have in your car during winters. Winter preparation is not optional. It's part of being a responsible driver. So let's go through the 5 things one by one. Number 1 is battery booster or jumper cables. Cold weather drains car batteries fast. Even a new battery can fail in extreme cold. A portable battery booster or jumper cables can get your car started in minutes, save you from waiting hours for roadside assistance, help you or someone else in emergency. This is one item every driver should carry during winter, or I would say even around the year. Even in summer you might need it. Number 2 is snow brush and ice scraper. Clearing only the windshield is not enough. You should always clear the windshield, the side and rear windows, the headlights and taillights, and the roof of your car. Snow flying off your car can block another driver's view and cause accidents. Clear visibility is a basic safety requirement in winter. On number 3, we have tire inflator. This one is often ignored, but it's extremely important. Cold temperatures reduce tire pressure, sometimes overnight. Low tire pressure affects braking, steering, and traction. A portable tire inflator lets you fix low pressure instantly without driving to a gas station. And God forbid you get a flat tire while you're on the road. A tire inflator can help you add air to safely reach a mechanic or tire shop instead of getting stranded on the road. It's a small tool, but in winter, it can make a big difference. Quick question for you. What's one winter tool you already keep in your car? Drop it in the comments. I would love to hear that from you. On number 4, we have snow traction mats. If your car gets stuck in snow or ice, which is often seen on steep driveways, traction mats can help you get out without towing. They provide instant grip, are easy to store, work well in icy parking lots or snowbanks. They are especially useful for front-wheel drive cars. And last but not the least, on number 5, we have winter washer fluid and a small shovel. Always use winter-grade washer fluid. Summer fluid freezes and blocks your windshield view. And for the shovel, a small collapsible one can help if you're stuck in deep snow. A plow blocks your car. You need to clear space around your tires. Simple tools, but extremely useful. And here's the final tip. Winter driving isn't about being fearless. It's about being prepared. These 5 items can save you time, stress, money, and sometimes a dangerous situation. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical driving tips and tell me in the comments what's the one winter item you will never drive without.